Hello, I'm Amy. I'm a pelvic physio at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and I'm currently 26 weeks pregnant. So I thought I would share with you the mobility routine that I've found to be helpful during my first and second trimester. Of course, this is very individual, so feel free to come see a pelvic physio to figure out what stretches are right for you during pregnancy. So as you can see, I started with just doing some deep breathing in a seated position, and now I'm going into an angry cat stretch. So a little different than cat-cow. I'm just focusing on the rounding of the spine and then coming back into a neutral position. Syncing the breathing with the stretch is really nice to get some pelvic floor relaxation and activation. Then I'm going into a thread the needle stretch. Really helpful for thoracic spine mobility, rib cage mobility, and just generally feels really good during pregnancy to work on some rotation. So going through both sides. Through this video, I'm kind of doing like a shortened version of each of these stretches. So typically I would hold each one a little bit more, but for demonstrative purposes, I'm just going through it quickly. Then going into extended child's pose, so bringing the toes together, knees wide, and then bringing the bum back to the heels. I also like to do a little bit of a walk over with my hands in either direction, just to get a nice stretch on the opposite side, muscles through the back. And then going into a nice hip flexor stretch. So very common to have hip tightness during pregnancy. So stretching the front of the hip and then alternating that with coming back into a hamstring stretch. And I'll do this on both sides. Again, hip tightness, really common just as the ligaments around the pelvis soften and the muscles can tense up, especially if you sit a lot. So stretching the hips feels really good and is a great addition to your mobility routine. Similarly, I like to do a groin stretch or an adductor stretch. This one's a little bit more dynamic, so coming forward and back, stretching the inside of the hip, and doing that on both sides. Again, feels really good and is important to kind of keep that mobility and length in the muscles that stabilize the pelvis. Then coming onto my back, doing some pelvic tilts. Again, coordinating this with the breathing and potentially pelvic floor contraction and activation is really nice. And then coming into a supine butterfly stretch for the inner thighs. At this point in my pregnancy, I feel comfortable laying on my back, but of course you can modify and prop up your upper body with a couple pillows if that's more comfortable for you. And then going into a glute stretch, so figure 4, crossing one ankle over the opposite knee to stretch the glutes. If it becomes challenging to reach as your belly gets bigger, you can certainly use a strap or something to kind of bring the thigh a little bit closer to you. And then going into happy baby, really nice stretch for pelvic floor relaxation and for stretching the hips. That's my second trimester mobility routine. Thank you.